Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to actually review a CADeN carry bag for cameras, but for me personally I think it's the best carry bag for the DJI Mavic lineup. Let's get to it. Now, CADeN advertises these bags precisely just for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, as I will show you a picture. That's actually how they sell it on Amazon. However, I used to actually own a Lykus carry bag, but that one was more expensive. I don't think they make them anymore. But these are way better. They're hydrophobic. Show you before I make a mess. They're hydrophobic, like so. It's awesome. That's awesome. Here's a little shake. Done. It's hydrophobic. I don't have to put an extra case on top of it, to prevent water to get in. Because sometimes, well, most times when I'm making videos out on the water in my boat or I'm hiking, usually it'll drizzle, it'll rain a little bit, or the splash of the waves of the water gets in the boat a little bit. I have to be trying to cover the bag before, but not with this one. It already comes with a hydrophobic material, which is fantastic. Now, as I mentioned, I think that this bag is the best for the DJI Mavic lineup. I currently have here my newly acquired DJI Mavic Air 2. And I'm gonna show you guys how it fits. See, this one, although it's very small for the Mavic Air, show you guys the inside. This was great, actually. However, here is my gripe. My main gripe. It doesn't have a whole lot of hydrophobic material on it. Is this. If I'm gonna carry here single-sided, looks normal, right? Looks fine. The wave's going on one side, and I'm usually hiking several miles, and over time, the weight will start to come down on one side and it starts to hurt and have to switch it around. However, with this, all I gotta worry about is put it in as a backpack and I'm on my way, which is perfect. And it's got extra pockets on the sides. This is what I like. Extra pockets. Usually I have a bottle of cold water with me. Puts it on the side. I sometimes bring one of the tripods for my camera phone, like so. See? This is the convenience of one of these. I like it a lot. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys inside how it all fits. Now, oh, that's right. It's got a little nice pocket here on the side too. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Now, if you guys see this arrangement, you can actually switch it around. It's actually Velcro, see? You can remove it, give it a different shape, create like a little pocket here, something of that nature, like so. I put the ones over here to create different pockets for the batteries. And in here will go the drone, as I will show you. Check this out. This is what I like this bag. And I honestly think it's the best bag for the Mavic lineup. Because the drone will go right here in the middle. Just like so. And I'm gonna have to put this one over here. I'm gonna put this one over here, this piece, to lock it in place so that way it doesn't move. See? It's perfect. The remote will go right here. There goes the remote. Got one of the batteries will go right here. Got one already installed. And we got I have different accessories over here on this bag, like extra propellers and such. That can go in here. That can go in there. Do I have any other accessories here? Oh yeah, I got the iPhone 8 that I use specifically just for this drone. This one could probably go here. It can go there. That's completely fine. I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna get the charger cables and put them over here. Be right back. That actually was one of my personal gripes about the, although this is a great bag, great little small bag, very convenient, but for what I need, it's not enough. At least with this, I can actually carry my charger cables, the extra charging ports right here. Perfect for the Mavic lineup. Several batteries, charging ports, remotes. If you have a tablet, if you rather use a tablet for your remote, it'll fit in here. It'll fit in this pocket. You can fit it in there. But since I only use the iPhone 8, it goes right there. See? Perfect. The perfect carry bag for the Mavic. lineup in DJI. I stand by it because I really believe that these bags are fantastic. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. I just want to share my new purchase. This was not sent to me by them. This is my own personal purchase. I know that sometimes I make video reviews of products of people that send me their product for me to test out and try out, but no, this one was my own personal purchase. And I figure if I make a video of it, it's inexpensive compared to my Lykus. When I first bought the Lykus a while back, I see if I can show you guys a picture of the Lykus. That one was about 70 bucks when I got it. Now they're coming out better with better padding, hydrophobic materials, and cheaper. This is like 30 bucks. It's a great deal. Anyway, guys, see you guys in the next one. Later.